Hey, what's going on YouTube? And welcome back to Tech Conversations. Firstly, if you haven't already, make sure to check out LuxAlgo. LuxAlgo is the #1 AI agent to help you find strategies, powered by some of the best trading indicators and used by over 15,000 traders, including myself. And I've covered many of their premium indicators in the past on my channel, so go ahead and check out those videos. But right now, if you sign up to LuxAlgo by using my link in the description below, you can get up to 60% off their premium indicators. Keep in mind, you can also get 30 days risk-free, so why not try them out? So go ahead and check out LuxAlgo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Also, make sure to check out the Discord, completely free to join. I'll put a link to it in the description below as well. We're at 8,500 members in here, so let's get to 10,000 members. Now let's get right into today's video. So firstly, I want to thank all of you guys for another great year here on YouTube. We have been doing this now for almost 6 years, and we couldn't do this without your continued support. So thanks a lot to all of you. Now today I have some very exciting news for Robinhood users. Robinhood Hood Holidays is about to begin, and this is the first time Robinhood has done this. Now, Robinhood announced this on their Twitter, so go ahead and follow me on Twitter, by the way. I'll put a link to that in the description below. If we take a look here, a holiday gift from us to you. We're unwrapping something special for the holidays. Join us for our first ever Hood Holidays. Everyone who counts down with us gets a gift. As you can see, this starting on December 26th at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, what is Hood Holidays? So let's take a look at this here. So Hood Holidays is basically a daily sweepstake on the Robinhood app that's going to last 6 days, starting on December 26th at 8:25 p.m. Eastern Time and ending on December 31st at 8:31 p.m. Eastern Time. So again, this consists of 6 independent daily sweepstakes. And so the entry process is the same for each day. You will only be permitted to enter on day 3, 4, and 6 if you are a Robinhood Gold subscriber. Any otherwise eligible Robinhood account holder will be able to enter on day 1 and day 5. And so we know what the prizes are. So if we take a look here, day 1 prizes, 5 grand prizes. Of each price is about $17,500. So that's the approximate retail value. 1,000 first prizes. So the ARV of each price is $129, and then all other entrants will be eligible to receive their pro rata share of $500,000 in Doge. You can see the day 2 prizes here, day 3 prizes, day 4 prizes, day 5 prizes, and day 6 prizes. And again, some of these are only going to be for Robinhood Gold subscribers here. Now, as we mentioned, right, this will only be allowed on the Robinhood mobile app. So you can only enter the sweepstake through the Robinhood mobile app. So that being said, let's go over to the mobile app and let me share with you what their first sweepstake looks like. So here we are on the Robinhood mobile app. It is 5 minutes before 8:30 Eastern Time. So what we need to do here is click on the upper right where you see the timer. Let's go ahead and click on it. This is the first day of the Hood Holidays here on Robinhood. That's why once we open this up, you're going to see this big #1 in the middle. So this first event is open to everyone. But remember, days 2, 3, 4, and 6 will only be open to Robinhood Gold subscribers. So as you can see here in the middle, there's a countdown. There's about 4 minutes left now. And at the bottom, it says the Hood Holidays countdown. Be on this screen when the timer strikes 0 for a surprise. And then there's also rules. You can click on those and it'll give you a bunch of information, such as the prizes and things like that. Now, I won't make you guys wait through this whole thing with me, so I will come back when there is 10 seconds left, and we'll take a look at what happens. Okay, so here we go, 10 seconds left, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what happens here. So there's Vlad, the CEO and founder of Robinhood. And so he's talking about the sweepstake here, the Hood Holidays. So $7 million worth of items here. So it's time to unwrap the first gift. Let's take a look at what we receive. Okay, so it looks like we can go ahead and peel the first gift here to unwrap it. And it looks like the app may have crashed here. You can see at the top it says Robinhood logo and Hood Holidays, and it looks like some broken icons. So it looks like probably a lot of people trying to claim their prize and the app may have crashed. So hopefully we are still able to claim our prize and it registered us as having been on the screen when we were supposed to be. Let me log out and log back in and see if things are working after. And by the way, let me know in the comments section below if you ran into this issue here. So here we are back on the Robinhood app. Let's see if it's working now. Let's click on the timer and see if we can finally see something on the screen here. So it looks like it is working now. We can see the second event, and it looks like I can actually peel this one now. Let's see what happens when I try to peel this one. So it looks like I can get a peek at the upcoming prizes if I share this link and people sign up. So I'll put this link in the description below if you want to go ahead and sign up and join the Hood Holidays. Let's click on view all at the top left here. So we can actually see all the different events. There's 6 events. Let's click on the first event. Let's see if we see anything here. Nice. So it looks like it did register our entry, and it looks like our gift is on the way. And we can actually see some of the gifts that they'll probably give away here. AirPods, we see Rolex, and of course Doge, which we already knew they were going to give Doge away. Robinhood already told us, so that's not a surprise. So once I know what my gift is, I'll add it in the comments section below, guys. So there you guys have it. That is Robinhood Hood Holidays. There are 5 more sweepstakes left. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Check out the Discord, link to that in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys next time.